This is so good.
Can you imagine it with booze in it? We took one of your favorite Starbucks holiday drinks, the Peppermint Mocha Frappuccino, and we made a spiked dupe.
Are you ready to make this naughty version with us? Here's how you make the naughty Peppermint Mocha Frap.
You're going to need a blender for this one. Grab your blender, throw in some ice, and add 1 ounce of your favorite coffee liqueur. There are so many fun coffee liqueurs out there. Mr. Black, there's Jaeger Cold Brew, there's Kahlua. Pick your favorite and throw that in there. And then next, you're going to add 1 ounce of milk. We're big fans of Rumchata. I love that they came out with this peppermint bark flavor. It's so good. You can honestly just even sip this on the rocks.
We already did that. It was delicious. This has flavors of white chocolate, dark chocolate, candy cane, and it is made with Caribbean rum and real cream.
Next, we're going to add 3/4 ounce of chocolate syrup. So good.
So minty.
Chocolate and mint.
It's like really cold.
Yeah.
Ugh, I love it.
It makes it feel even colder. Peppermint, it has that effect.
Last, you're gonna wanna top this off with some chocolate shavings.
And we're using a pasta straw instead of the plastic straw.
And there you have it, the naughty Peppermint Mocha Frap.
Cheers! I love how refreshing the peppermint flavor is in this cocktail. You feel like you're in a winter wonderland when you're sipping on it.
Absolutely agree.